Evaluate cosecant square 90 degrees minus theta minus tan square theta divided by 4 into cos square 40 degrees plus cos square 50 degrees minus 2 tan square 30 degrees into secant square 52 degrees into sin square 38 degrees divided by 3 into cosecant square 70 degrees minus tan square 20 degrees. Cosecant square 90 degrees minus theta minus tan square theta divided by 4 into cos square 40 degrees plus cos square 50 degrees minus 2 tan square 30 degrees into secant square 52 degrees into sine square 38 degrees divided by 3 into cosecant square 70 degrees minus tan square 20 degrees is equal to cosecant square 90 degrees minus theta is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta divided by 4 into cos square 90 degrees minus 50 degrees is equal to cos square 40 degrees plus cos square 50 degrees minus 2 tan square 30 degrees into secant square 90 degrees minus 38 degrees is equal to secant square 52 degrees into sine square 38 degrees divided by 3 into cosecant square 90 degrees minus 20 degrees minus tan square 20 degrees is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 divided by 4 into cos square 90 degrees minus 50 degrees is equal to sine square 50 degrees plus cos square 50 degrees minus 2 into tan square 30 degrees into secant square 90 degrees minus 38 degrees is equal to cosecant square 38 degrees into sine square 38 degrees divided by 3 into cosecant square 90 degrees minus 20 degrees is equal to secant square 20 degrees minus tan square 20 degrees is equal to 1 by 4 into sine square 50 degrees plus cos square 50 degrees is equal to 1 minus 2 into tan square 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3 whole square into cosecant square 38 degrees is equal to 1 by sine square 38 degrees into sine square 38 degrees is equal to 1 divided by 3 into secant square 20 degrees minus tan square 20 degrees is equal to 1 is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 is equal to 4 minus 2 into 1 by root 3 whole square is equal to 1 by 3 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 3 is equal to 1 by 4 minus 2 by 3 by 3 that is 2 by 9. LCM 36, 4 9s are 36, 9 into 1 is equal to 9 minus 9 4s are 36, 4 into 2 is equal to 8 is equal to 9 minus 8, 1 by 36.